Today we're gonna do the American Rumba style solo practice drill. Let's get to it. So, let's learn this practice drill from the very beginning. I'm gonna face you first and then eventually I'm gonna back the camera so you can get all the angles that you need. Let's start right away. We're gonna start with one box for today. So we're gonna go forward, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. We're gonna rotate the box, so we're gonna be working on sharp direction changes, but still using this box step. So I'm gonna go forward with my left, slow. I'm gonna pivot to my left, a quarter turn, bring that leg in, I'm brushing, and I'm gonna go side close, okay? Side close. And finish the back half of the box regular with no turn. And then we're going to repeat that all the way around, okay? On the forward half of the box, we're going to turn a quarter turn, slow, and, so I'm pivoting and brushing my foot, side, close, and now back half of the box, no turn. So it's still a box step, but we're turning on the forward half of the box only, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. You're gonna finish the box, and we're done that part. Going forward, we're gonna go into some Kukarachas. I'm gonna do a very small step forward with my left, slow, and we're gonna do side to side Kukarachas. And brush, we go side, quick and slow. Switch the way, quick, quick, slow. And now we're gonna do forward rocks, two of them. I'm gonna place my foot in front on the ball of the foot, do my hip action, and close. And same thing with the other side, quick, quick, slow. And now the last part to finish this whole drill is we're gonna do weight changes in place with Cuban motion technique, right? So, it's gonna be quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now when my weight is on my right, I'm gonna go forward with my left to start the whole thing again. Slow into the box, quick, quick, slow. So keep going, quick, quick. We're gonna be turning the box, so go forward, pivot, and side, close, back, side, close, forward, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, small step forward, Kukarachas, slow, quick and slow, quick and slow, forward Kukarachas, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, in place, switch, quick and slow, quick, quick from beginning, slow. Now I'm gonna back the camera so you can follow with me from another angle. So let's go, weight on the right, left foot free, full box, no turn, that's the first move we're doing, and slow, quick and slow, quick, quick, turning the box, slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, forward pivot, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, pivot, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, finish the box into Kukarachas, small steps, slow, side, quick and slow, quick and slow, forward Kukarachas, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, in place, quick and slow, quick, quick, and forward from beginning. The purpose of this drill is just to get you to practice by yourself from home. So we're going to be doing this with music in a moment, but let me just call out a few little tips and techniques that you should be thinking about when you're practicing this. Okay, I'm going to back the camera again. So the first part, we have our box step. And then from here, this is all about the directions, right? We talked about that, quarter turn. But also make sure that you are brushing your foot as well. So brush, side, close. Also keep your arms in front like this. You don't want to be, overly turning with your shoulders or anything like that. Keep this part, upper body, very, very still throughout the entire thing. Okay, so I'm going to go forward, pivot, side, close, back, side, close, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, forward step into side Kukarachas. Here we're doing a figure 8 with our hips. We've covered that in other technique videos, so you can watch that. Make sure you're really focusing on your hip action here. And then when you go forward, you're also doing your figure 8, but it's a limited action, and you want to keep your upper body quite still, actually, when you're doing it. So quick and quick, slow. So your lower body is really working, but your upper body is pretty still. So you could see that here. What you don't want to do is something like this, yes? Sometimes you see people overdoing it with the upper body. So remember, all your hip action is happening underneath. And the same thing actually happens on that last part as well. We're going to use our hip action against our shoulders, okay? So my hip goes forward and around, but I'm not doing this where I'm turning my shoulders. So keep those shoulders very still as I'm doing my hip action. Again, we have other technique videos where you can learn that Cuban motion technique more, but right now the point is just to practice it. So I'm going to put on some music, I'm going to face you, and I'm also going to back the camera. Let's do the first song together. Now quickly, if you're enjoying this lesson and want to get access to all of our video dance lessons, you may want to become a member at passionfordancing.com. And right now, we are offering a 7-day free trial on all plans. As a member, you'll get access to all of our partner dance lessons in all styles, including the American style, international style, salsa, bachata, and more. Also, you'll get access to all of our solo practice live stream classes that we've done over the years, so you'll be able to practice from home at any time. If you'd like to get more information about our membership, just head on over to passionfordancing.com and you can try us out risk-free for 7 days. Okay, get ready guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Quick, quick, 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 beginning, slow. The whole thing again, and direction. Quick. Pivot. Kukarachas next. Quick and quick, slow. Forward. Isolate those hips. Keep your upper body still. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, beginning, box. And breathe. those legs. Slow, quick, and hold it. Slow, and quick, quick, slow. Slow, and quick, quick, slow. Quick, slow, hold, and quick. Hip action. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. And again, keep going, slow. We're gonna do one more song. I'm gonna back the camera. Okay, get ready, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, and turn. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, Kukarachas. Slow. In place. Beginning. Box step. Faster, you can challenge yourself. And box. All right.